Came down to check my saffrons this morning, as usual, and they're looking a little bit long, some of them I think. They tend to be only about 3 inches high, the plants, before they have a flower on them or when they get their flower. And, shock horror gasp, look at I saw an actual flower. The first one, this is my second year of growing these, because the temperature wasn't cold enough for them last year. They missed the cold snap that they require to set, but I've actually got one, which is a real buzz. So we've got allegedly 9 degrees tonight, and then a couple of days at 14, and then the temperature drops from 9 to 4 over the next 4 days. So I may in actual fact get some more. But anyway, I can die happy now because I've finally managed to grow some saffrons, a single one so far. Excellent. Well, that's a shock. I'm down here doing the watering this afternoon, and look what I see. Another saffron flower. It wasn't here this morning when I checked at about 7 o'clock. It was 11 degrees and I wasn't expecting to see any flowers. And here it is in the afternoon, just after 4 o'clock, and it's 17 degrees and I've got a flower sitting there. Oh, well, that's 2 so far. Let's see what tomorrow brings. This is the size of the current grasses on our saffron. You can see that they're pretty long now. That's over 2 foot long. Consequently, the plants are too mature to flower, even though it's nice and cold with single-digit numbers at night time. Getting down to -1 last night in actual fact, but you can see that they're all pretty long. They normally flower when they're about 3 to 4 inches long, and they're way too long. So it looks like I've only got 2 flowers this year, which is, I guess, 2 better than it was last year. These are the little guys I didn't expect to flower. They were tiny little corms when I put them in, and I'm just growing them up to see what happens. So that's the end of the season. 2 flowers out of 50 corms. So not an excellent return, I wouldn't think, but we'll wait and see what the story might happen to be next year.